I want to share with you, I guess you could call it a hypnosis trick, and it's kind of cool, but more importantly than being cool, it's very, very instructive in helping you to understand how your conscious and subconscious mind work. Okay, and this is going to be really helpful in helping you to create changes in your life and set goals and reach them. So what I want you to do is I want you to not think about something, right? I'm going to tell you a word in a minute, and when I say it, I want you to not think about that thing. Okay, so get yourself ready, however you're going to do it, and I want you to not think about a banana. Do not think about a banana, right? Don't think about a banana. Now, there's a good chance right now that all you're thinking about is a banana. Right? So how's this happening? Because this is really important. Because I told you not to think about it. I gave you time to get yourself ready to not think about it. And yet, as soon as I said that word banana, you instantly were thinking about it. Okay? So this is really important because you need to understand, I think, if you're going to run your own mind, you need to understand how your conscious mind works and how your subconscious mind works. Okay? So your conscious mind says, yeah, okay, I won't think about it. Right? But your subconscious mind has to make sense of the word. So as soon as I say the word banana, what's happening is your visual cortex, which is a subconscious process, lights up with an image of a banana. And what's interesting is you could literally look at a banana or you could imagine a banana. It's the same process. It's your visual cortex lighting up and saying, oh, that's a banana. It's yellow, it's long, it looks like that, okay? And so a lot of times when people want to set goals in their life, they articulate the goals in terms of what they don't want. I don't want to be poor anymore. I don't want to be overweight. I don't want to be lazy. I don't want to be a procrastinator, right? And if we frame things that way, what we're doing is we are tuning our subconscious mind to the exact thing that we do not want. Right? So again, consciously we make sense of it. I understand what it means to not want to be overweight or poor or procrastinate or whatever else. I understand it logically. But most of my mind is subconscious and most of my mind is being tuned to the exact thing that I do not want. Okay? So it is crucial that you articulate what you want in your life in terms of what you literally want. It can't, again, you can start with, I don't want to be whatever. Right? You can start with, I don't want to be overweight. That's fine. But you have got to very quickly shift it over to what you do want. Because in your mind, right, if there's anything you've been struggling with, right? So if you've been overweight for a while, you know what it's like to be overweight. To be thin and lean and healthy is a different idea. And you need to create it, right? So it takes a little bit more work, no doubt about it. It's easier to say, I don't want the thing that I know, right? Because you're familiar with it. Well, I want this thing takes a little more effort to create, but it's well worth it because you are giving your subconscious mind the direction it needs. You're being crystal clear with your subconscious mind when you say, I want to be X amount of pounds. I want to be a size blank. I want to, have six-pack abs. I want to have, however many inch biceps, whatever the specifics of your goal are. The more you articulate what it is you actually want, the more you give your subconscious mind a direction to go in. Okay, so again, the banana example is really good because you're trying not to think about the banana, but it's right there under the surface. Okay, so a lot of times when people are setting goals for themselves, they're doing that exact same thing and they're fixated on the thing they don't want subconsciously. And then they have this conscious part saying, I don't want this, I don't want this, I don't want this. But they're stuck in that loop, of just being fixated on the thing they don't want. So what I want you to do here is whatever goal it is in your life, and it's literally anything, right? It's natural to say, I don't want this thing. Fine place to start. But you've got to translate that into a language your subconscious mind understands, which is simply, what is it that you do want? And the more descriptive you get, the more you can articulate it with details, the more you give your subconscious mind the direction and the image and the blueprint for what it is that you do want. Okay, and so you start to get more of your mind working in the direction you want, as opposed to just saying, well, I don't want this. Okay, so whatever area of your life you're looking to make a shift or a change, any goals you have, take a little bit of time and practice this because you'll feel it instantly. You'll feel it instantly. Once you start articulating in detail what it is that you do want, you're going to find that it starts to feel different. You're going to start to feel more motivation, right? You're going to start to feel a pull towards that thing, okay? Because again, you're using your mind more accurately, more effectively, the way it's supposed to be used, okay? So take a little bit of time today and think about what it is that you do want. Articulate it and notice how it feels, all right? So test this thing out and have a great day.